If you own investment property in the state of Florida, my recommendation is that you hold title to that property in a Florida land trust instead of an LLC or any other type of corporate entity. A Florida land trust is a type of trust created specifically to hold title to real estate, and it provides the same benefits as an LLC, but it provides some additional benefits as well. The main reason why you would want to have investment property either in some sort of corporate entity or a trust in general is usually to, number one, avoid probate upon your death, and number two, to protect your personal assets, wages, bank accounts, other properties, from creditors or any potential liability that may result from that property. An LLC can accomplish this if done correctly, but in my opinion, a land trust is the better option for two main reasons. Number one is a land trust will allow the owner to remain confidential and anonymous. So a public record search for that property is never going to disclose the owner's name if it's held in a land trust. Why is this beneficial? Because if I have a client that's looking to sue somebody, I'm going to research that person and see if they even have any assets to make it worth my time and my client's money to go after and sue them. So ideally, you want it to look from a public record standpoint like you have no assets, because then people are less likely to sue you. The second reason is because with an LLC, if you are not extremely careful, the protection that the LLC provides to you can be waived. It's called piercing the corporate veil, and it usually happens when funds are commingled. So if you are collecting rent from your investment property and you deposit it into your personal account, that's commingling the LLC's income or revenue with your personal finances. When it most happens is usually by accident. So the example I like to give is your tenant calls you in the middle of the night, a pipe burst and they need a plumber out there ASAP. You are frantically calling plumbers, and in the midst of just trying to get somebody out there, you provide them with your personal credit card number to pay for the service visit. That is commingling, and that could, if the other person has a good lawyer, pierce that corporate veil and waive that protection that the LLC provides to you. With a land trust, that can never happen. You can commingle all you want, although I still don't recommend it. That protection is always going to be there. If you'd like to learn more about land trusts, please follow my page or give me a call, 813-803-4887.